Alright, good morning. We're going to review just real quick here. Write the equation from each line. And in this one, we're going to make sure we're writing in y equal mx plus b form. Remind yourself m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Okay. Again, review work. You'll see this type of equation a lot in your algebra classes. Algebra 1, A and B, Algebra 2, A and B, and beyond. Geometry, same thing. So get used to this form and knowing how to graph it quickly without making a big long table. It makes a big difference. Alright, so we're going to do the odd ones, just 1, 3, 5, and 7. And then I'll let you guys do the 2, 4, 6, 8, and you can check your answers on the answer sheet provided in your documents. Alright, number 1. First thing I'm going to look for is the y-intercept. Everything goes by 1, so looks like the y-intercept is 2. So y equals something x plus something. Again, I'm just going to fill those in underneath. So it's going to be 2 here for the y-intercept. Again, the form y equals mx plus b. If you want to, you can even write the form here just to remind yourself. And then the slope, I'm going to look for places where I can find another point really easy where it intersects the lines. And since there's no good one that I can see, this one's not too bad. Neither's that one. Well, let's just go with this one right here. Okay, so that'll be pretty easy to do. So we're going to go down 1 and over 1. That's it. Down 1, over 1. So that's going to make this negative 1x plus 2. Okay. I'm going to verify the equation. The equation's real close. The actual answer they say is negative 7/6, which is negative 1 and 1/6. So if you compare this with our negative 1, we're pretty close to the right answer. And don't worry about it. Again, graphing is an estimation at times, so we're estimating what that slope would be. And we know it's negative because my line is going down to the left. Okay, number 3. Y equal mx plus b. And your answer is good if you use negative 1. Okay. Again, we're close to that answer. Number 3, I see the y-intercept is up at 3. So y equals, there's my x, and I know it's going to be plus 3. So slope from here, oh, it looks like there's a nice point right here. It's pretty good right there. So I'm going to put a dot at that point. Okay. And now make my right triangle. I'm going to come down negative 1 and go to the left. 1, 2, 3, negative 3. So my rise is negative 1, my run is negative 3. And so I'm going to change that to 1/3. And you're all done. Okay. Again, notice negative 1 over negative 3. I get a positive slope. My line goes up and to the right, so it has to be positive. Okay, number 5. Y equals mx plus b form. I find the y-intercept right away. It's up at 4. So y equals something x plus 4. So my slope, it's going to start at 4. And I'm just going to look for another point that's on the line. See if I have one. Oh, good. It hits right here. Awesome. Way down there, but no problem. All you got to do is count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So negative 8. Again, rise over run. Don't forget that. And I'm going to run over 1, 2, 3. So negative 8/3. Got it. Again, going down negative 8, running over positive 3. Again, the line goes down and to the left, so you have to have a negative slope. Okay. And number 7, the very last one that we'll do together. Y equal mx plus b form. So y equals, there's some blank x plus, and here we have a negative 2 for a y-intercept. And find a nice easy point that hits perfectly right there. It looks good. So starting at negative 2, I would go up 1. That's my rise. And then my run from this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over. So 1/5. And there you go. And you're all done. Some of you, if you don't like to write it as plus negative 2, you can write it as y equal 1/5 x and just go -2. That's also okay to do. Remember, plus minus is the same as just writing -2. Alright, that's it. So now I'll let you guys do 2, 4, 6 on your own. Double check your work. Remember, the easiest thing to do first of all is find that y-intercept. Okay, so plot the y-intercept and then make your right triangles. Okay, going over here, make your right triangles coming down. Remember, if you go down it's negative, if you go left it's negative, if you go up it's positive, if you go to the right it's positive. So keep those in mind as you do your rise over run. Remember, rise always goes on top. Okay, rise over run. And you can write improper fractions, that's okay too. You don't have to write it as a mixed fraction. This is a mixed one. Improper fraction is the better way to write slope because you want that rise over run. Alright, good luck to the rest of you, and we'll see you right back here doing Unit 3, Section 1.